So apparently, Nigerian politicians have agreed that they are good at nothing and they cannot fix anything. They are calling on the Asians and the white people to come and help them fix Nigeria. They are finally calling on the white man. Okay, so Senator Danjuma Goje finally admitted that it is only China can help us out of the electricity issue in Nigeria. That the best thing to do is to swallow our pride and give China full control of our electricity for 20 years so that they can give us stable electricity supply and real development in Nigeria. This is one of the senators saying it in their meetings, that they cannot fix anything, that it is better for them to call on the Chinese to come and help them. It's not a made-up story, it's a real one. Take a look at this video.
So our pride call on one of the major successful advanced countries, preferably China, because their cost of labor and cost generally is low. Give them this project of power in Nigeria. Run it for 20 years. Give us stable power, get your money back and move out. And within these 20 years, we'll have stable power. And you know the meaning of stable power is, it means real development. All other areas will work perfectly. And we'll get it right. And it is always like that. But when you go to Siemens will take one section of the power sector, we'll do something about transmission. By the time they finish transmission, problem will erupt in generation. Then they go to generation. After generation, problem will erupt in distribution, like you said. These days, even transformers are not provided by the distribution companies. So, Mr. Nominee, when you're appointed and you go to Ministry of Power, I want you to ponder over this idea of wholesale getting into agreement with an advanced country like China or any other country, but preferably China. Come and have a look at our power sector, wholesale, generation, transmission, distribution, and see how we can get it right, at least for the next 20 years, so that Nigeria will not develop and catch up with other countries. And then whatever the cost it is, I think it's worth doing it. We are already used to taking debts. If this is not debt, it will be called contractor finance. They will run the business, make their money, and leave us with a stable light. I want you to ponder about this thing. Maybe like I said, it's a crude idea, but I believe it is workable. Otherwise, I give you an example.
The generator cabal. Those who sell generators in Nigeria must be one of the biggest generators that they are selling anywhere in the world. So, when you ramp up power and want to take over, you're dealing with their Garri and they are going to come after you. Don't make any mistakes about that. Secondly, those who were given the distribution licenses at the bottom, do not, I repeat, do not invest in their capacity. I am chairman of power. In my house in the village, there is no power. Why? There is no transformer in my place. I have told them, I've written several letters, and they have told me they cannot get. So I have to go to buy. So that is where the issue is. Make sure that those who are doing distribution actually keep to the terms of their contract, which is to expand and improve on what they have bought.
As a Nigerian, we know the challenges we are facing for electricity in Nigeria. Everybody has resorted to generators, solar. Right now I'm doing this video. This is not NEPA. I am using solar. Everybody in Nigeria is suffering from electricity problem, because from band A to band B to band C, yet the electricity issue in Nigeria has never been solved. Nigeria is close to 60 or more years, yet the electricity issue they have never solved it. And now they are finally agreeing that they cannot solve the issue, that they need to call on the Chinese and the white man. You can imagine. Okay, some Nigerians are saying that 20 years is too long for them to admit that if they are calling on the Chinese to come and run the power sector, they should also call on the Chinese to take over the whole government. That in China, that people facing corruption face death penalty. That if they are calling upon China or the Chinese government to come and take over the power sector, that they should be ready to hand over the government to China. And you know China has zero tolerance for corruption. That's why the people who are guilty for corruption face death penalty. Now, the Nigerian senators are now coming together to say that they need to call upon the Chinese to take over the power sector. Are they ready to take on the other credible things the Chinese people do, apart from only the electricity sector in Nigeria? Honestly, it's actually quite sad that the Nigerian politicians are not helping matters. They are thinking of bringing foreigners to come and help in their own problem, bringing foreigners and giving them absolute power to come and help in their problem. However you feel about this video, please put it on the comment section. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section.